Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about the C-61 D-41 siding and decking contractor license. Now, what is a siding and decking contractor? A siding and decking contractor applies or installs all types of exterior siding, including wood, wood products, vinyl, aluminum, metal siding, to new or existing buildings. This contractor also constructs wooden decks and related handrails, and this work shall not include the construction or installation of covers or enclosures of any kind. And this is a definition straight from the CSLB website, and that's the Contractors State License Board. So essentially, you need the D-41 license in order to bid on any siding or decking projects where the total cost exceeds $500 in labor and materials. How long does it take to get a California contractor license for siding and decking? You're looking at an average time frame of about 90 days. Typically, you can expect a 6 to 8 week application processing time, and then generally another 3 to 4 weeks before you actually go and take your exam. Now, what are the basic requirements for a CSLB license? You've got to be at least 18 years of age. You've got to have a valid driver's license or USA ID. You'll need to have a Social Security or ITIN number, and you can't currently be on probation or parole. The experience requirements are that you have at least 4 years full-time journey level experience within the last 10 years. You'll need somebody who can sign off on that experience, and you've got to be able to submit documentation to the CSLB just in case they ask to see proof. Now, who could you use to sign off on your experience for the siding and decking contractor license? You could use a general contractor. You could use somebody that holds the C-61 D-41 siding and decking license. You could use a foreman or supervisor, fellow journeyman or employee within the last 10 years. Or in some cases, you could even use a business associate. Now, for a little bit more information on how to fill out the California contractor license application correctly, check out the links in the description of this video. Criminal history. Everybody's got to do live scan fingerprinting. Be honest on the application if you do have a criminal record. Typically, as long as your charges don't fall under the categories of fraud, forgery, or embezzlement, you should be okay, but be ready to submit court documents to the CSLB just in case. Now, what's on the exam? You only have to pass one exam to get the C-61 D-41 license. It's going to be 115 questions covering contractor license law. You'll have 3 hours to complete each portion of the test. It's a multiple choice exam. It's going to be done on site on a computer, and if you want to, you can bring a translator the day of the exam. Now, the CSLB Law and Business exam covers business organization, business finances, employment requirements, bonds, insurance, and liens, contract requirements and execution, licensing requirements, safety, and there's a portion covering public works. Now, for online practice tests, study guides, and things to help you pass the law and business exam, check out the links in the description of this video. So after you pass your contractor license exam, you'll get your results immediately. If you do need to retake the test, typically you could do it within about 3 weeks. Once you pay your license activation and provide your contractor bond number, the CSLB should send you your contractor license in the mail in about 2 to 3 weeks. Now, the costs associated with the CSLB license include a state application fee, a license activation fee, and then a renewal fee every 2 years. You'll cover the cost of fingerprinting, and you'll pay for your contractor bond. Now, for the most up-to-date contractor license fees, I suggest you check out the video that'll appear at the end of this one. Just want to thank you again for watching. For additional information about the D-41 license, you can check out our complete guide in the description of this video. Getting licensed, bonded, trade skills, and any other information, check out our channel, subscribe to our channel, check out our website, like and subscribe to this channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. But again, thanks for watching, and this is digitalconstructive.com.